Hi guys, very good morning. So I'm Syed here. In this video we will see about ratio shortcuts. So let's begin with these. The ratio between A is to B is 1 is to 3 and B is to C is 2 is to 3 and C is to D is 2 is to 5 and the ratio between D is to E is 1 is to 2. Now we have to find the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D is to E, and how we are going to find out in a very simple manner. So we have to write whatever the variables they are given like this, and we have to write the ratios here. 1 is to 3 is A is to B, and B is to C is 2 is to 3, and C is to D is 2 is to 5, D is to E is 1 is to 2. So now what we have to do is we have to fill these gaps here by the numbers that is present here. So here the number is 3, and so we are going to fill the gap. And then what we do, we have to fill the gap here. So have to fill the number that is present here, and that is 3. And also we have to fill the number here. Here we have to fill the number that is present in this position, and it is 2. Similar fashion, we have to fill the numbers in the gap like this. Here we have to fill the number 1 in the gap, here we have to fill the number 2 in the gap. And finally what we have to do, we have to multiply these numbers. It is 4, it is 12, it is 18, it is 45, and it is 90, and this is the ratio between them. So this is a simple way to find the ratios if the relation is given in this manner. So let's move on to another method. So we will solve one more problem on the same method, so it will be clear for you. So if it is given in this manner, how we are going to approach this? You can see the relation between AB is given and the relation between AC is given. A is common here, so we're going to write A in the middle, followed by B and preceded by C. So the relation between AB is 1 is to 3, relation between AC is 2 is to 5. We're going to write it in the reverse manner. Similarly, we're going to fill the gaps by the numbers here. We have to fill this gap by the number present before, that is 2. We are going to multiply it, and this will be the ratio between C is to A is to B. So let's move on to another shortcut. So the question is like this. So now what we have to find is this. What is the ratio between A is to B is to C? So how we are going to find it? It's very simple. What we have to do is we have to hide this number here, and we have to multiply the rest of the numbers and write it here. you have to multiply these two and you have to write it here as 18, and this will be the ratio for A. And then what we have to do is, for B we have to hide this number and we have to multiply the rest of the numbers here, that is 2 getting multiplied with 6, and we have to write it here. And for C what we do, the same manner, we have to hide the number here and we have to multiply the rest of the number, that is here. Write it here, it is 6. So we can reduce this further, that is 1 is to 2 is to 3 is the ratio. If the question is in this format, you can use this method. So let's move on to the last shortcut. The question is given like this: A divided by 2, B divided by 5, C divided by 9. Now what we have to find is, we have to find the ratio between A is to B is to C. And what will be the ratio? The ratio will be simply the numbers that are present here, that is 2 is to 5 is to 9. So the important thing to be noted is, they must be at the denominator, the numbers should be at the denominator and the variables should be at the numerator, and the equal to symbol must be there. They must be equal to some other variables in this manner, and we can directly write the numbers and we can tell them as their ratios. So I hope the ratio shortcut video will be helpful to all of them. So if you like this video, subscribe it, and have a great day. Thank you.